So now let's see how we can work around with the quick selection tool inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to access the quick selection tools, you need to go around over here onto the expert mode, and then over here, this is the quick selection tool right here. So there are various quick selection tools, as you can see, and the first one that is selected is quick selection tool. And if I were to click and drag right here, then you can see that it quickly detects out the contrast and then helps you to select out an object right here, just like this. But I selected out the grass over here as well, so I can go around and select the subtraction tool right here, and then deselect this part out right here. As you can see, you can go around and deselect this, you can click this around and deselect this, as you can see, and this is what you have. And now you can move around the selection, as you can see. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here, just like this, and go back, press Ctrl D as well. And now what I'm going to do is show you the other quick selection tools as well. So just like with a regular selection tool, you got add and subtract right here, as you can see, and you also have the new selection option right here to start from scratch. You can go around and change around the brush size that you see over here as well. So once this is done, you can even see that there's the selection brush tool, as you can see, that allows you to just draw around freely. You can go around, increase the size and the hardness of the selection right here, click and drag around, and there you go. You can see that the brush actually goes around and draws around the things right here. And if I were to go around onto the move tool, I can just move this around over here. Let me just press Ctrl Z, just like this. So once this is done, I'm going to go around onto the selection brush tool again, and over here there's the magic wand selection tool as well. So let me just go around, press Ctrl D to deselect it, and with the magic wand tool you can click to select out an area right here. So you can go around and click on add to selection, click again, and there you go. More areas can be selected, as you can see, as I keep on clicking over here. Click, 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 and there you go. It detects out a contrast level right here and selects out. But there's too much selection, so let me just go around and press Ctrl Z right here. So what happens is that you can go around and select the tolerance level right here. So that high tolerance level means more area is selected, while low tolerance level is less contrasty area is selected right here. Let me just go around, decrease out the tolerance level, and click right here, and until I get the selection that I want. You can go around, select this, click on it right here, and then you can go around onto the quick selection tool again and refine out this selection from over here as well. So I went on to the subtract, but I can go around, refine it by using the addition over here. So that is what you have, and here you can see that there's like refine selection brush as well. So you can go around and refine out the selection by using this this reference color right here. You can select whatever color you like, and then you can go around and start like brushing out right here. You can go around right here and pull this out together over here, just like this as well, by using different tools. And you can subtract the selection out, or you can add the selection out right here, just like this, and you can push out the selection over here, just like this. So you can go around and push it out right here, just like this, and refine it out as well. And finally got the auto selection, as you can see right here. So let me just go around back onto quick selection, press Ctrl D, and if I were to go around onto the auto selection, you can go around right here and click and drag around, and certain parts will be auto selected. So you can auto select this out, and it'll try its best to select out the subject right here, but it is not perfect, as you can see, just like this. And you can go around right here and use different tools right here, just like this. So there's like elliptical selection right here that you can add to right here, just like this as well. So you can use the elliptical selection right here, so it selects it out accordingly. And you can go around and do a freeform selection, just like this as well, or use the polygonal selection tool with the auto selection, as you can see, just like this, and the subject will be selected. You can further adjust the selection out done by auto selection if you're not getting the result that you want. So like in this case, it is not detecting this. So I'm going to go around over here onto quick selection, as you can see right here, work around with the size and go around with the subtract right here, just like this. Just go around with the size and click and drag around, and you can see that I can make further adjustment to this, or I can go around and add right here, just like this, and and then click and drag around just like this, and this is what you have right here. You can go around, subtract as well, and then this is what you have. So that is how you can work around with the quick selection tools inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.